Hey guys, Ofentanu Dube, your currency trader and currency coach at FX Link, and you are tuned into our future market preview. Enjoy. So this week I thought I'd share with you two opportunities that are on my radar screen. And to kick things off, we'll start off with the Euro USD. Currently, the first thing that you always want to do at FX Link is to be able to identify the overall direction of the market. And it's pretty evident the price action is an overall uptrend. As you can see, this is our lowest low, and price action currently shot up. Until to date, we haven't been able to violate the structure level. So we're currently still in an uptrend. Now, if you've been taking down this pair with us for the past, we were looking at price action as soon as you manage to violate the structure level. And this is where you can see the structure level was the support, another support area, more support, and we had a nice structure swap where it became a resistance, more resistance, more resistance, more resistance. And if you could look back, I'm pretty sure you could see that this is a significant structure level. Now, as soon as we got a break and close below the structure level, this is where I was waiting for price action to at least give me a push back to the structure, to this demand area, before I start to anticipating a buying opportunity. And now, this is where the first thing I want to do is to level out a kill zone. And let's try to take our box between these two areas. This is where we have a nice demand area. Yeah. So this is currently where I expect price action to go next. And as soon as we get to this area, and as you can see, we already have a bullish divergence forming in place. Now switching down to a lower time frame. The first thing I'd add is my extension tool. From this X leg down to a right back to a X. Let's try to zoom in. And you could see that right there at this level, this is where we had our 127 extension. Okay, so if I could burn out my cursor. So this is where we have a nice 127. This is where we get a 1414. So the next thing we'll wait for, as I mentioned, all for price action to at least give us a push down to this area level. Get our confirmation. In our case, we'll wait for a bullish divergence and a double bottom. And as soon as we get an entry at that point, you can see that we're going to have a nice risk to reward. If I could get my position to having an entry point somewhere in this area, stop loss would of course have to be below our kill zone, just a few pips below it, and first take profit would have to be back at retest of the structure level. And already you can see that offers us a nice risk to reward. Now as you can see, this is not the type of trade that will set up immediately as soon as the markets open. Probably between Tuesday or Wednesday, this is where we might have a complete setup. So this is one pair that you can keep track of. The next pair that is the pound CAD. And as you can see, I already drawn my kill zone around 174 and around 171. This is where I've leveled out my kill zone. This is where I expect price action to give me a push. And already, if you could take a closer look, let's try to zoom in. You can see the price action was kind of hesitating to hit this area. I said as one as aggressive as they started the move. If I could grab this tool, you can see that sellers came in aggressively. You can see this first move is pretty aggressive. We got a retracement. This could be a 32 retracement, not that deep of retracement. Got another push. Now, if you compare the second push that we get from sellers compared to our first push, what can you say about sellers at this point? Sellers weren't as aggressive as the first push. We got another retracement. Let me grab my tool. We had another retracement to this area. Sellers only one candle, and this way we get another buyer's momentum. More interesting as we get this retest of structure, as you can see, this is how we get a nice tower bottom. Now, a tower bottom is one of our setup that we look for, and getting us a tower bottom on the hard time frame gives us more validation. So the next thing we want to wait for, if you trade on the hard time frame, will be to get a higher close. And as you can see, we did get a very high close. So if you're trading on the daily chart, this could be an exact entry point. Now, for those who then have large accounts to be able to trade on a daily time frame, let's switch to the 60. So first thing I noticed as we tend to the 60 is that our RSI is still, I don't know, 48. In order for us to have a complete setup, to in order to take a buying opportunity, we'd have to wait for price to hit our 20 reference line, where this will give us a valid oversold state, and from there, hence our also is a tower bottom and a bullish divergence. Now, I'd have to wait for price action to give me a push somewhere back to this level. As you can see, if I could try to grab this level, this is we have a nice support level, and as you can see, also this is a zone where we have a nice support area. So around 172, 172.46 and 172.31. This is we have a nice significant demand area. So we might wait for price action to at least give us a push down to this area and have our further confirmation that we expect. And again, you can see that this is a trade that will run for most likely Monday, and still looking for a buying opportunity. Entries around this level, stop loss would have to be just a few pips below our previous low, and first take profit would have to be back at this retest of structure. And again, you can see we have a nice history reward. This will offer us a 1:7, not quite a 1:2, but for what is called 40 pips, you get a total take profit of 66. So this is what I want to share with you guys. If you have any questions on this market preview, please comment below. We'll make sure to get back to you, and please, I know you like this video. I know you like me too. I know I've been a great host. Hit the like button, and most importantly, if you are new to a channel, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time.